Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play solitaire with a deck of cards. First, you'll need a standard 52-card deck. Begin by shuffling it thoroughly. Next, deal out 7 tableau piles. The first pile gets 1 card, the second 2, and so on, up to 7 cards for the 7th pile. Only the top card of each tableau pile is face up. All others remain face down. The remaining cards form your stockpile placed face down. Now let's talk about moving cards. Within the tableau, you build piles in descending order, always alternating colors. For example, a red 6 on a black 7. You can move single cards or entire sequences of correctly ordered cards. If a tableau pile becomes empty, you can only place a king in that open space. Remember to flip over any face-down cards in the tableau once they are no longer covered by another card. The ultimate goal is to build 4 foundation piles, 1 for each suit: hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades. These foundations are built in ascending order, starting with an ace, then a 2, a 3, and so on, all the way up to the king. You can move cards to the foundations from either the tableau piles or the waste pile. Successfully moving all 52 cards to their respective foundations means you've won the game. When you can't make any more moves on the tableau, draw cards from your stockpile. Typically, you'll draw them in groups of 3, placing the top card face up onto a waste pile. The top card of this waste pile can then be played to either the tableau or the foundations. You can usually cycle through the stockpile a few times. The game concludes when all 52 cards are successfully moved to their 4 foundation piles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.